If you're an agency owner, stop. Do not leave this video, because if you're about to start an SMMA or you're a current agency owner, I want to make sure that you watch this video before you continue running an agency, because I'm going to give you all the pitfalls and all the trials and tribulations and help you beat the learning curve so that you can scale to 6 to 7 figures. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more videos just like this, and let's get into it. So if you're trying to start an SMMA right now, or you're just starting to get traction, here's things you need to look out for right now. Number one is you need to focus on, in the beginning, client acquisition, okay? Running an agency is very, very hard. It's sold to you sexy because like people will say it's an easy barrier to entry. You can white label your fulfillment, it has high margins, but you need to understand that client acquisition is going to allow you to predictably not have to worry about where your next client is coming from. So focus on what methods you're going to use to get clients. Number two is, if you don't have case studies or results right now, you need to partner with a white label. Okay, so Agency Elevation, Agency Box, like there's other white label partners out there that will let you use their results to then get clients. You need to understand that people are only going to buy from you if you can show them past results, testimonials, and social proof to make the buying decision easier for the business owner. Number three is, do not think about what niche you're going to go after in the beginning. A lot of people try to sell you to niche down. They try to get you to niche down and only do this, or only do local service, only do e-com. You don't even know what you enjoy yet, because I'm telling you right now, if you want to scale an agency to 6 or 7 figures, you need to actually enjoy what the hell you're marketing for people. Don't just do it because some guru on the internet told you like, oh, local gyms are the best. No, because if you don't like local gyms and you're going to be bored doing that, then you scaling it's going to break. You're going to get bored, and then you're going to want to scale back down, or you're going to want to go broad, or you want to change your niche, which means that you're going to change the whole entire business model, all the onboarding, all that stuff. So make sure that right now you taste everything. Go broad. Find what excites you, and then you scale upon that, because what excites you, honestly, you're going to put more energy towards, which will bring the client more results, and then you can replicate that with the right systems and then move that up the ladder, okay? The other thing about SMMA right now is that if you're not willing to put in the dirty work in the beginning and you're just depending on like some scripts and templates, it's not going to get the results that you want. You need to actually focus on building a personal brand like myself, and obviously putting out content, being educational with business owners, and showing people that you're not just hiding behind a logo. You've been told that, all you gotta do is do cold email and all this other shit that, doesn't have to show your face. I'm telling you right now, your conversion rates are gonna be 50 to 100% higher if you just simply put your face out there and become a personal brand. And you can make money 2 ways with that, not just through your agency, but also through coaching and then consulting as well. So you have those 2 different dividends of money coming in through the door. Don't only depend on your agency for revenue. You can do coaching, like I said, consulting as well. Like it's a really tough business model to scale, because you can be a solopreneur right now and you can be excited about growing, but you can't actually grow an agency until you become a leader. There's a difference between being a solopreneur and somebody who's making 6 figures a month or more. You have to become a leader. It's not just about you anymore. It's about other people. It's about motivating them, KPIs, SOPs, driving actual results, retention, numbers, finances. There's so many more things in a business that you need to be able to narrow in on. And the only way that you can motivate other people to hit those numbers is through being a leader. So that whole like, hey, I'm going to run this thing on my own and just make money with it, you're going to get too hungry and you're going to want to scale. So you have to change your, not personality, but you have to build like a new muscle for being a leader. And that's a very hard skill set to learn. And I still struggle with this very day. The other thing is, if you're about to start an SMMA, you have to realize how competitive it is right now. You have to really come out with a really sexy, irresistible offer. So depending on your deliverables and, depending on results, if we don't get you X result, you don't pay. If we don't get you X result, I'll give you this amount for wasting your time. Like, you have to come up with a very sexy, irresistible offer, or pay on performance based only, okay? The reason why I don't do those offers is because I have a big personal brand and people buy from us because it's me. So I don't have to do that stuff anymore. But you need to in the beginning, because you need to get people to be enticed. Hey, this person's doing performance only. I should check them out. This person's doing this guarantee or this money back. Like, I don't do those things anymore because number one, like, you are going to attract pretty shit people, but you can wean them out and obviously qualify them. But at the same time, like, I'm just not going to deal with that headache because people need to understand that ads are not a guarantee. Running an agency, services, those are really not guarantees. The only thing that is guarantee is like SEO and website design and website development and creating websites from scratch and like social media management. Like, those services are guarantees because you're actually giving them a result. But ads, you can send as much traffic as you want, but if the business owner can't close deals or the business owner has a shitty offer, like, it's very hard to get them results. So understand that as well. Number 8 is, before you start this, realize that you can't please everybody, okay? You're trying to run an agency. You're getting into the people business. People are fucking out of pocket, okay? That's just the way it is. 2023, people are insane. They have bad personalities. Everyone's heightened as shit because of the economy. Everybody cares about every little penny that they spend. Like, people are very hard to handle right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, people are insane. But at the same time, though, that's just how people are, and you have to be able to deal with that fact that you're kind of playing against human nature. There's going to be clients who are even getting results with you who decide to leave because they get shiny objects and they find another agency. They think that they can do it better. They think that they can run it on their own. There's some, like, I just had to deal with a client before this video, and it's like, people just don't read. People don't have common sense. Like, people are fucking stupid. So you need to understand that when you're dealing with this shit, don't let it get to you. It's how people are, but you can't please everybody. If you have 100 clients, odds are 10 to 15 of them are going to leave, and you got to deal with that factor. Even if you try to save them, that friction is going to give you stress, the client stress, and they're not going to give as many fucks anymore. So stop trying to please everybody. It's not going to work. It's just not. It's draining. It just kills your fucking energy levels, and it's stressful. So I hope this video kind of frames things for you on, what to look out for before you really start an SMMA. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.